Have you ever seen the sky break its own rules? For centuries, we've looked up, expecting order in the stars and clouds. But sometimes the sky delivers the unexpected. A blue flash, a swirling spiral, a spectacle that defies explanation. These aren't science fiction. They're real, captured on camera, and they leave scientists and the public equally baffled. In those moments, the sky becomes a stage for the extraordinary, reminding us how little we truly know. Today, we're diving into the rarest and most shocking celestial events, moments when the sky truly went out of the blue. Let's begin. December 9th, 2009. Northern Norway wakes to a sight that stops people in their tracks. Above the Arctic, a vast glowing spiral spins silently in the sky, a perfect ghostly vortex, anchored by a blue beam. Phones ring off the hook. Is it a new aurora? A wormhole? A military mishap? Theories run wild. The spiral is so precise, so enormous, it seems almost artificial. Images and videos go viral, turning a local mystery into a global sensation. Scientists are stumped. The phenomenon doesn't match any known event. Then, an answer. Russia admits to a failed missile test. The missile's third stage spun out of control, venting fuel and creating the spiral. But many remain unconvinced. Could a missile really paint such a perfect pattern across the sky? The Norwegian spiral remains a modern mystery, a collision of technology, nature, and imagination. For some, the question mark it left in the sky has never truly faded. Sometimes, the most advanced technology creates the most inexplicable wonders. The sky, it seems, is still full of surprises, and every so often, it reminds us just how little we control. The spiral over Norway is a testament to that. What would you have thought if you'd seen it? Imagine looking up and seeing the sky turn an eerie, unnatural green. In July 2022, Sioux Falls, South Dakota witnessed this, an emerald sky signaling a violent derecho storm. For decades, people have seen green skies as a warning of severe weather, but the cause remained mysterious. Scientists now believe it's all about light scattering in massive storm clouds. As the sun sets, its reddish light passes through water-laden clouds, mixing with blue light and creating that unsettling green. The deeper the green, the more intense the storm, often a sign of hail or tornadoes. It's the atmosphere's way of flashing a warning. Yet, the exact recipe for the greenest skies is still being studied. Even familiar storms can surprise us with their beauty and danger. The green sky is both a warning and a wonder. Nature's signals are sometimes as mysterious as the storms themselves. We all know lightning strikes down, but what if it could shoot up? Enter the blue jet, a rare electric blue cone of light blasting from thunderclouds into the stratosphere. First caught on camera in 1989, blue jets travel up to 50 kilometers high, invisible from the ground, and lasting just milliseconds. They're not ordinary lightning. Scientists think they're triggered by charge imbalances at the tops of storms. The blue color comes from nitrogen molecules, excited by the jet's energy. Blue jets are a form of high-altitude plasma, exotic, beautiful, and still not fully understood. We don't know how often they happen, or their full impact on our atmosphere. Each new sighting raises more questions than answers. Even the most familiar storms can hide secrets above the clouds. The sky's electric mysteries are far from solved. October 13, 1917. Fatima, Portugal. Tens of thousands gather, hoping for a miracle. The rain stops, clouds part, and the sun appears, spinning, shimmering, and casting multicolored light. Eyewitnesses say the sun danced, zigzagged, and seemed to plummet toward Earth before returning to its place. Suddenly, soaked clothes and muddy ground are dry. The event lasts about 10 minutes, seen only in that field. No observatory records it. Explanations range from mass hallucination to rare atmospheric optics, but none fit all the details. The Catholic Church declared it a miracle. Scientists remain puzzled. Was it faith, physics, or something else? The miracle of the sun endures as one of the most debated celestial events in history. Sometimes, the sky blurs the line between science and belief. And sometimes, it leaves us with more questions than answers. What would you have believed if you were there? The sky's mysteries aren't always just physical. They can be deeply personal. In 2023, an astronaut aboard the International Space Station films Earth and captures two enormous blue flashes erupting into space. These aren't lightning, blue jets, or sprites. They're vast, expanding rings of blue light, gone in a heartbeat. The footage stuns scientists and the public alike. What could cause such a spectacle? One theory: ELV's brief flashes caused by lightning's electromagnetic pulse hitting the ionosphere. But ELVs are usually red, not blue. The color suggests a new, unknown phenomenon, or perhaps a different atmospheric process. Some speculate about ground-based technology, but there's no evidence. The flashes occurred over a populated area, yet no one on the ground noticed. Even with our best technology, Earth's atmosphere still surprises us. These blue flashes are a reminder the sky is still full of secrets. We're only beginning to understand the forces above our heads. Sometimes, the most astonishing events are the ones we almost miss. The frontier of the sky is still wide open. From spirals and green skies to upward lightning and miracles, our atmosphere is a stage for the unknown. These events humble us, reminding us how much we have yet to learn. Each anomaly is a challenge, an invitation to look closer and wonder. The sky is a universal canvas for awe. Which of these phenomena amazed you most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to look up. You never know what you might see. The sky might just surprise you.